We're making one pot Cajun pasta. Let's go! A couple peppers here. I've got an onion. I've got some andouille sausage. This is the turkey smoked sausage. You can use regular if you'd like. I don't care. This is what I like. If you were going to use the same cutting board for both, cut your vegetables first and then your protein. That's what I do. I'm not trying to do extra dishes. Here we go. Oil in the pan. Andouille sausage in. Make sure you spill some on the counter. We're making Cajun pasta, so that means we're using Cajun seasoning. You can use 8 teaspoons of whatever seasoning. Make it easy on yourself. Just buy Cajun seasoning. 8 teaspoons is 2.5 tablespoons. I round up 3 tablespoons of seasoning. Isn't that easy? How do I know that? I asked Siri. We are going to add half of our seasoning. Oh, take it out. Add your onions. Cook your onions down for a little bit. Help them out. I'm going to add garlic. How much? I don't know. That looks good. Cook your garlic first. Don't be like I did and add onions first. We're good. It's fine. No one's worried. We're going to add all of our peppers. You have to try some. It's required. These have been on for about 5 minutes. I'm going to add the rest of the seasoning. I'm going to add milk. I'm going to add about 6 cups of milk. There are 8 cups of milk in a half a gallon. How do I know that? I asked my phone. We're bringing this to a boil just like it would be water boiling pasta. We're going to boil our milk. At a boil, I'm going to add our pasta. I am using pot-sized spaghetti. Our consistency has shifted. Hey! We're going to put our sausage back in. What does that look like, you ask? Fine, I will show you. Here. Looks amazing. I'm going to add a half a cup of Parmesan cheese. You know what Parmesan cheese that is. And then I'm going to add some parsley. How much is this? I don't know. 4 tablespoons? Our pasta is done. I have a serving tray. I'm going to put this in the serving tray. Am I single and live by myself? Yes. Do I want to do this for myself? Why not? It's about to be a show. Cut, cut, cut.